Okay, first
sige,
this.
okay. Hi guys!
Today, vlog guys, open 2 Kinder Surprise eggs.
Okay, padool sa camera. Ito. So that's it. That's the...
Kinder egg surprise eggs. 2 eggs.
No, that's 2 boxes. That's how many? You read the number. 12 eggs. Sige, go. So we'll not open. So tell na. I'm not gonna open the chocolate, just a toy. Okay, go!
Ooh, there's some Kinder eggs.
So you show to the video.
Oh,
You get it!
Oh, Kinder eggs, surprising.
Okay, the other one. The other one.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, first
Oh,
this.
sige, okay. Toy only, ha?
Yeah. I did the egg. This is my toy.
Who gave you that?
Maybe.
Oh, maybe.
I'm a baby.
Take care.
I know there's some sticky spots. Maybe it's some ginger.
You show your toy. Little, what's that? Okay, first toy is...
Oh, what's this?
Ah. Yeah, let me see the... What's that?
It's a superheroes.
Let me see.
Oh, what's this?
Oh, it's a Marvel superhero. Okay.
Yes, this one. Next. Heroes.
Alright. What's that?
It's Iron Man.
What?
It's Iron Man.
It's Iron Man? It's still the same? Still Marvel? It's...
Yeah.
Oh.
Where's your instruction?
Okay.
Ah.
This is the first toy trapped in some kind of spear. I don't know. It says Ant-Man.
This one. The next is
Ant-Man, yeah. It's a ball. Okay.
First one, this one.
Open. That's number...
10 pa.
We still have 10 more to go.
I got it.
What's that?
Ooh, what is this? Let me just see the description. Look. What's this?
I don't know. Is that a ninja? Is that a ninja or is it a fire? No, it's a fireman. Look, it's a fireman. What's that?
Again!
Again? It's the same. Ah!
This one next. And I wonder who's inside with this one.
Let's hope it's not Marvel.
It's Spider-Man!
It's Spider-Man. Yay! The different one. Okay.
Spider-Man! Ta-da! Spider-Man. What is it?
What is it?
Marvel Strong Picture!
Wait, it's it.
Oh, wow! So nice!
Does it work?
Beep, beep.
So this was Spider-Man. That's right. Yeah, that's Spider-Man. What we're expecting for in the Kinder. Ah, okay. Look, this open.
Where? Dad, let me! Give me!
Maybe there's something here, you know.
Daddy, give me!
What is that thing? Ooh, what's that? Let's see what does it.
Oh, wow! Look at it!
What's that? What's this one? Let's see.
Oh.
I don't know. Ah, it's a stencil. Okay. This is where you trace. You put, yeah. So you put it in the paper and you trace the shapes. And then there's a car where you can just draw. And then that's it. It's like a like a... Oh, it's a car. Car.
What? Are you covered in stickers?
Are you having fun?
And just put the notes right here. And it's going to go right here. And what are who's inside?
Oh, it's Black Panther.
Black panther. Go open my toys and use the chocolate penty.
No eating of chocolate.
Haha, chocolate.
No, haha.
What is this? Oh, what is this?
What's that?
I don't know.
Wow, that's a very good car.
Oh, it's space car.
Yeah.
Yeah, look, it's our outer space car.
Ah, it's a space car.
Yeah.
Let me see. It's a space car with wings. Ah, okay.
Yeah, look, it's the road car.
Ah, so you can flap the wings. All right. What is that?
I don't know. Oh,
What? Like
the
a...
first toy.
Yeah.
It's Hulk.
It's Hulk that he got.
Yum, 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 yum.